when my
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 9:58 p.m. on October 30th, 2022, effective until 10:58 p.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert from the Minnesota BCA. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Apple Valley Police Department is searching for an abducted 2-year-old male named Shannon Yusuf Ingram, who only respond Yusuf. Yusuf is a black boy with brown eyes and black hair, unknown height and weight. He was last seen wearing a blue baby shark hoodie, silver necklace, gray jeans, blue slip-on shoes, and was last seen at an unknown address in Apple Valley. Police are looking for a suspect named Shannon Ingram, who is the non-custodial parent, a 30-year-old black man in connection with this abduction. He is approximately 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighs 220 pounds with brown eyes and black hair. He was last seen wearing a royal blue hoodie. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call the Apple Valley Police Department at 651-322-2323 or 911. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible.